Hi! Today's video is about real wage. This is a short version of the Norwegian video about reallonn. So real wage, that is the same as reallønn in Norwegian. Real wage is used to compare wages from year to year when the prices change from year to year. So let's say that the general prices have gone up 10% and your wage has gone up 5%. That means that the amount of things you can buy with your wage has actually gone down. So that's why we use this real wage to compare the wages from year to year. And how do we do it? We do it by connecting this real wage to the consumer price index. And the real wage is really the wage you would have in the base year of the consumer price index if the wage had changed in the same way as the consumer price index had. I think that it can be clearer with an example. So let's say that in 2003 you earned 350,000 kroner, and the consumer price index for 2003 was 112.8. We are going to compare that to 2007. Let me just finish here. 112.8. And if we also look at 2007, and let's say that you earned 370,000 crowns. In this year, where the consumer price index was 118.6. So we're going to use these numbers to calculate the real wage for both these years. Let's start with 2003. And what I'm going to do is to make a table like we've done so many times before. Just let me go to the next page first. So I'm making a table with 3 columns and 3 rows. And in the middle I'm putting my X, and this is the real wage, and that is really calculated for the year, for the base year, and the base year is 1998, and the year we are comparing with is 2003. So 2003 is the year with the actual wage. And what we're calculating is the wage, so let's write that here. And this is the index, the CPI, Consumer Price Index. So the index of 1998 was obviously 100, as that is the base year. And for 2003 it was, let's check again, it was 112.8. 112.8, and the wage we had in 2003 was 350,000, like that. It's not so pretty, sorry about that. So this means we can make an equation: x over 100 equals 350,000 over 112.8, and solving that for x, we get x equals 100 times 350,000 over 112.8. And calculating that, so we have the calculator, and we're going to find out what is 100 times 350,000 over 112.8, and that equals 310,284. X equals 310,284. So that means the real wage for 2003 is 310,284. Let's calculate this for 2007 as well, with these values: 370,000 kroner and 118.6 as CPI. Making the table too small here. That x in the middle, which represents 1998. The CPI of 100, and we want to find the wages. When in 2007 the wage was 370,000, and the CPI was, let's check again to be sure, 118.6. 118.6. So if we do that exactly the same way as we did with 2003, we should get the real wage is 100 times the wage over the CPI from the actual year. So real wage equals 100 times the actual wage, 370,000 kroner, if you like, over the CPI for that year, 118.6, and doing a quick calculation again, 100 times 370,000 over 118.6 equals 311,974. 311,973. So the real wage of 2007 is 311,973, and from 2003 it's 310,284. So that means the real wage has gone up from 2003 to 2004, when the wages go up from 350,000 to 370,000. For the full version, please check out the Norwegian file, and please remember to answer the questions below. Thank you.